how to find old mobile Facebook privacy settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find all the mobile Facebook mobile privacy settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner, settings, and now click apps and websites, and here you will find all the versions of Facebook for mobile. Click on it, and now you can manage here anything you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.